What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another PNL recap. Today is August 31st, 2023. It's the end of the month, end of the summer. I can't believe how fast time is going, but I must say I'm super excited because this was my best profitable and consistent month of my trading career. So I'm not celebrating the profits just yet because I can't take all of them out of the funded accounts. But what I can celebrate is the consistency with the strategy and the system. It's working so well for me. And it took me a long time to kind of get to this level. And I am just going to hope that it continues to grow. I hope to use more contract size and maybe grow more accounts as well. And hopefully Apex will have a new sale coming soon. But again, people are asking about the strategy and so on. And what I will tell you guys is that you will have to find something that works for you more organically than you think. So how many videos have you watched on YouTube about trading strategies and so on? And then when you are trading, it doesn't work, or it's not happening how they explained it and so on. It's because you are using it differently, and then you're going to be executing it differently. And then if you do have a bad day, you'll do something different and so on. And the whole strategy will just get skewed. And you have to find something through screen time on your own. And that's just the honest truth. Every single profitable trader I've met in many years of trading. So I've been trading since 2016. I've been through so many different chat rooms when it comes to stocks, not so much with futures, but with stocks. And the one thing I've noticed is that every single moderator in that chat room, so whether it's the owner of the chat room or someone that's getting paid to moderate the chat room, all of them trade differently. Wouldn't the other moderator trade the same exact way as the owner of the chat room? Like, wouldn't that make sense? Obviously, that's like a red flag for me. And it took me many years to realize that. You want to copy someone else, but it's just not going to work. They have different bankrolls, they have different risk levels, and there's so many different factors that make a profitable strategy profitable. Anyway, that is just a little tip that I don't feel qualified to teach anyone how to trade. It doesn't matter how I trade. The only thing I will tell you guys is I scalp and I don't over trade. So I am done trading very quickly on the day. So within the first 10 minutes of the open, I am done trading for the day. And it's what helped me combat the trailing drawdown and over trading, right? So if I do take a loss, I just got to walk away and move on to the next day. And because I know my system works over time, it's been consistent for many days now, I know I could trust myself to walk away. And even though my loss might be bigger than, let's say, an average winning day, I know in a couple of days I'll be back on track and just move on. But anyway, guys, I'll make a separate video talking about the whole entire month. I want to compare this August to, let's say, last August, which was one of my worst trading months I've ever had. And yeah, and then we'll just summarize and talk about different things about August in general. But let's talk about today's PNL. So today's PNL was nice and easy, $450 per account on 5 funded accounts. So all of them were copy traded, and that was the net profit on the accounts. So total profit for the day was $2,250. So it's the best profitable day I've had since I started trading this way, and I have also started tracking this way. All right, so I'm not counting evaluations. Evaluations to me don't matter. I've traded evaluations today. I made like $2,000 on one of the evaluations. It doesn't matter. I am only talking about funded accounts. So it was the best day, the first 2K day I've had. So these are all the profits, daily profits here. So we had 1934 was the second biggest day. And also I've had first 5 days out of the 17 were traded with just 2 accounts. Then I overslept one day right here. So this month had a lot more potential than I actually did, but the total profit on the month is $18,290 net profit. So it's $18,290 in futures trading. Then obviously over time we get commissions, but how I am erasing the commissions here is by affiliate marketing. So you guys have been using my links, and I appreciate that so much. And that basically covers my commissions for these accounts, believe it or not. So I am up close to 2.6K on the affiliates in Apex. So that's quite amazing. And that puts me well over $20,000 on month of August. And I'm not including it with YouTube and stocks as well. So just futures alone, I've made $20,000 in my accounts, What I am able to withdraw is 8.75K, and 8.75K I could withdraw plus 2.6, trying to do the math, 10. Let's say 1150 will be the 11,500. That's like the rounded number that I'll be able to withdraw from my accounts out of the 18,000 or the 20,000, whatever it is. So I could withdraw about half from my accounts, and I'm super happy about that. So these are the new account balances after today. So we got 7,726, so almost $8,000 in this account. I wish I could take all of it out, but that one has so much cushion. Even when I take out the maximum payout, it's still going to be at $5,000 in profit, which is quite amazing. That's the minimum you have to have in that account. But even though I'm going to request a payout tomorrow, I am not stopping trading. I have to continue trading. I have to believe the system, and I have to just keep trading these accounts to get more profits for the next payout. Just so you guys know, I'm not lying. These are the account balances. 5128, yep, right there. So you guys could see everything lines up perfectly. And these are my 5 funded accounts. I will have more accounts shortly as well. Probably end of next week, I'll have at least 2 more. Hopefully, they're not passed, but they're close to passed. And yeah, and let's see how my stocks are doing. So I have also an $800 day on stocks so far. So today could be a $3,000 day trading. Just stocks, same thing. Even though I'm in positions all day, I'm not actually actively trading. So within half hour of work, I've made $3 grand today, which is incredible. And it's always something I've dreamed about since I started trading. First, you start with $100 days, then you want $300 days, then you want $500 days, because $500 days equal to about $100,000 profit at the end of the year. So that's like the first mark that people want to get to. But once you get there, you want to get more and more and more. So yeah, don't want to get too greedy though, of course, and just continue trading. But quite an amazing month, guys, and I hope you guys did well as well. And then $6,100 on the week already, which is insane. And we still got tomorrow to go. All right, so tomorrow is another day. I do have work tonight. I'm gonna get home really late, and hopefully I don't oversleep tomorrow, because I'll be really pissed. But yeah, I'm probably gonna scale down on these 2 accounts tomorrow, because I have let's see, $920 cushion here, and then is that 900? No, 720, and then this is like 800, whatever it is, the math. So I don't want to get down below 2,600 on these accounts to guarantee myself a payout from these 3 accounts. And then this one still has to get over, so I still have to trade this account till Tuesday actually. So today is day number 8 on this account, so I still got to trade it for 2 more days. Yes, I could flip contracts, but again, I want to keep these accounts longer, so I don't want to just have $2,600 in these accounts and then pray that the first day the trades work out exactly how they did today, where today I did not have any drawdown. So today they went straight to my target and it was over. I mean, the range this morning on the NASDAQ was insane, but versus yesterday, it was more choppy, right? So yesterday, if I didn't have any cushion, I probably would have been stopped out. So I really want to have some cushion on these accounts. That way I could get through at least few payouts with these accounts. Some of them I even paid the lifetime fee since I am getting more consistent. So that's a huge topic of conversation for many people. And I say, if you don't have consistency, don't do a lifetime fee, do the monthly fee. Because if you do find consistency, then the new accounts that you will get, you will be able to just get a lifetime fee instead for those accounts. But then you are already profitable. And also, the worst case, if you are profitable, if you're making this type of money here, if I made $18,290, do you guys think that I care about $85 a month per account, which is less than $450? I don't think so, right? $450 is is nothing in comparison. So it's part of the business expense. But anyway, guys, that's how I look at it. Do as you please. I just know in the beginning, if you get, let's say, 10 funded accounts, paying $850 versus $1,400 is a big difference there. And yeah, so until you're consistently profitable, don't get too many accounts. Getting like, you guys could see my progress, right? You see that I had 2 accounts, and then I scaled down to 4. Then I got the 5th. Then I lost an account. Then I got another one. So I'm slowly building. I'm not going to get 20 accounts at once and then hope that I make profits with them. And then if I blow those accounts up, then I'm in a huge hole. All right. Because copy trading is great when it works, but when it doesn't work, you set yourself back so much that it's not worth it until you find yourself consistent. And if not, keep trading just 1 account or 2 accounts at most. Be happy with smaller days. You could, look at that, guys. Everyone wants huge days. What is my biggest day here? So on the 150K initially, I traded bigger size. So $976 was my biggest day on this account. Okay. So I've never had $1,000 day on any of the accounts, and look how much profits I've made. And I've had red days in here. I've had small green days in here. So it does not take a lot of ticks and profits to make a good living with these accounts. We have to take advantage of prop firms like this and trade a lot of accounts, trade with different firms, use Quantower for that. And I really need to get funded again with Bullnox, TopStep, and maybe you profit change their rules as well. And I'm going to buy a Tick Direct account, because getting a payout every single week. So with Tick Direct, if I get over the safety net and then trade that account, I will be able to withdraw profits, let's say every Thursday from that account. So whatever I make Monday through Thursday, take it out, and then you can't trade for a single day, but then I'll be back on Monday to trade that account. So it would be quite amazing to be able to take money out every single week, even though if it's just $1,000 or so, but it will pay for other accounts and so on. And you just keep building that cushion. But anyway, guys, oh, time is flying, 12 minutes. All right, on to tomorrow. Peace.